motor at mga exotic cars. Ito ang Cannonball Endurance and Sprint event.
We have more participants now than last year. It's like a tour of Luzon, but it's done with motorcycles and cars. So basically, yung tour of Luzon sa bicycles, this one is done faster.
Ang challenge ay tapusin yung course of 1,200 kilometers from Clark, going up Nueva Ecija all the way up to Pagudpud, down in Ilocos, going up Baguio, back to Clark.
Minuto bago alas 11 ng gabi, handa ng mga participants para sa Cannonball Challenge na tatagal ng 24 hours. Babaybayin nila ang kahabaan ng Nueva Ecija, Iligan, Isabela, Tigigaraw, Lawag, Bigan at Baguio bago bumalik muli sa Pampanga. Ito ang tinatawag na Luzon Northern Loop East-West Course na may distansya na humigit kumulang ng 1,000 kilometers. High-tech din ang endurance challenge na ito dahil bawat sasakyan ng mga kalahok ay may GPS na nagsisabing tracker at safety device.
We provide software for tracking logistics and transportation companies. So what we've done is we have actually modified our software so that it actually can help track an event, a motorsporting event.
Camaraderie at enjoyment sa ride ang ilan sa pamagayang sinusulong ng mga organizers. Makikita mo ang pagtutulungan ng bawat isa.
Thrilling. Tsaka medyo nakaka-nervous kasi nagkaroon ako ng problema sa brake ko.
Naalalain ko lang yung isang kasama ko na babae para safe kami yung dalawang makauwi. Ito yung nagka-trouble na kami sa preno niya.
Bukod sa kompetisyon, nasusukatin ang natatagan ng drivers at ng makina ng kanilang sasakyan. Magandang tanawin at pagmamahal sa pagmamaneho ng motor at kotse ang udyok sa mga participants na lumahok sa Cannonball 2016.
It's not a race. At the end of the day, it's at your own pace. If you want to push yourself, go right ahead. If you don't want, then, we had like some of our teammates from UV, they even stopped at Vegan to have lunch.
Nangako na ng mga organizers na magiging mas exciting ang susunod na Cannonball event.
Next year, maybe we'll have more groups of 10, having this the biggest event of its kind in the Philippines.
Which is to promote Philippine tourism and also to promote the next generation of Filipino drivers in the country.
PJ Manotok, ABS-CBN News.